And if you do want a bit more education, there is a sale on until tomorrow, end of Q2, end of 30th of June. VTP reduction on the VTP stage 2 swing trading and stage 3 intraday trading. Okay, there's a QR code there or a bit.ly code, or just ping me if you've got questions. So, of course, we've just looked at Bitcoin, silver, gold, of course, oil. As I said, a lot of that is all to do with the dollar strength that we have seen, the continued dollar strength. I was the first to admit that I thought, post-war we would see that kind of a dollar fall away. But of course, what we've seen is the sort of the shift towards the US economy, inflation. All right. Here we go. This is my, let's just get that drawing tool again. So this is my dollar profile, all right? So I've got Aussie on the daily, Euro on the daily, Cable on the daily, dollar Swiss, Kiwi dollar, dollar CAD, dollar yen, and of course, dollar index, all right? So, even if before I go through the dollar index, you can pretty much see the story, can't you? Aussie dollar on the daily, okay, that's dollar strength. Kiwi dollar on the daily, that's dollar strength. Euro, okay, on the daily is dollar strength. Dollar against CAD rising, that is dollar strength. Okay, even sterling, okay, that is dollar strength. Dollar against yen, not unsurprisingly, and dollar against Swiss franc. So that's why I have these charts set up like this. You get a very quick snapshot of where's the strength and where's the weakness. And when the dollar is strong and the dollar is strong like this, well, what I try and tell traders is, well, why would you fight it? What's the point of trying to fight that? And if we go to the dollar index on the weekly chart, okay, we have pushed all the way back up to 100 and beyond, okay, into this zone. I was talking about this being this kind of zone we've been in here, okay, a bit of supply here, demand at the top, okay, but we have pushed through in. Of course, it's the 29th of June, all right, this could be a strong close above that demand zone, above 100, above the monthly 20-period moving average. That to me would be a pretty bullish move. All right, so we've started the week sort of drifting off a little bit lower, okay, but I'll be intrigued to see, do we come over a little bit lower? 20's coming up, okay, do we come down to that kind of 150 area, and then does that become like nice 20-period support as it has been the last couple of times before it makes its next leg up? That would reflect that continued dollar strength that we see there, isn't it? That's pretty strong showing, I'd say.